नमस्कार, मैं अनीता वर्मा। आज फिर मैं आपके सामने एक नई वीडियो के साथ उपस्थित हूँ। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 7 इंग्लिश बुक सप्लीमेंट्री लेसन 2 ब्रिंगिंग अप करी के वर्ड्स मीनिंग्स एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। स्टार्ट करते हैं। कीपर, केयर टेकर, महावत, टिप टॉप, ऑन द टॉस, पंजो केबल, पेविलियन, ए लार्ज कवर्ड स्पेस, बाड़ा, दैट कवर्ड विथ ए दैट, छप्पर, बम्प्ड, कोलिडेड, टकराता था, लूसियस, डेलीसियस, स्वादिष्ट, हैचेट, ए स्मॉल एक्स, कुल्हाड़ी, मल्टीलेटेड, बैडली कट, कटी कुटी, कैथेड्रल, हेयर, लाइक ए हाई सीलिंग, ऊंची छत की तरह, ट्रम्पेटिंग, एन एलिफेंट्स लाउड साउंड, चिंगाड़, ड्रोनिंग, सिंकिंग, डूबता हुआ, ड्रिफ्ट, स्वेप्ट, बहता हुआ, पोंड्रेस, हैवी, भारी, डार्टेड, रस्ड, दौड़ा, लेसो, ए लॉन्ग रोप, एक लंबी रस्सी, डिग्निटी, ग्रेस, शान, चीडिंग, स्कॉल्डिंग, डांटना, मिसचीफ, कनिंग बिहेवियर, शरारत, स्नेक, टू गो इन, स्टिल, थीली, दबे पाँव आना, क्रेप्ट, क्रोलेट, रेंगता हुआ। अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द एनक्लेजर इन which curry leaves had a thatched roof that lay on thick tree stumps. Examine the illustration of curry pavilion on page 8. सेवा 8 कोड़े से पीटा गया। स्टेज मेल डियर द एनक्लोजर करी ये थे इस चैप्टर के वर्ड्स as he moved about. Since these paws were thick and strong tree stumps, they did not move or let the roof collapse. Question number 2, did Curry enjoy his morning bath in the river? Give a reason for your answer. Answer: Curry enjoyed his morning bath in the river. He would lay in the water for a long time and let the narrator rub his back. On coming out, he would squeal with pleasure. Question number 3, finding good twigs for curry took a long time. Why? Answer: First, the narrator would sharpen his hatchet, which would take half an hour. He had to do it because the elephant would not touch torn or mutilated twigs. Then the narrator had to climb all kinds of trees in order to get the most delicate and tender twigs. All this would take a long time. Question number 4, why did Curry push his friend into the stream? Answer: Curry pushed his friend into the stream to save the life of a drowning boy. The narrator dived and pulled the boy to the surface, but the narrator was not a good swimmer. When Curry saw it, he came towards narrator and caught him by his trunk and pulled both of them to safety. Question number 5, Curry was like a baby. What are the main points of the comparison? Answer: Like a baby, Curry was required to be scolded when he was naughty. He learned very quickly. He had to be taught to sit down and walk. Whenever he did something wrong, he quietly accepted punishment. He would eat delicate twigs just like a body eats soft food. Question number 6, Curry helped himself to eat all the bananas in the house without anyone noticing it. How did he do it? Answer: Bananas were kept on a large plate on a table in the dining room. Curry would put his tongue through the window to reach the fruit plate. He took all the bananas in one attempt without anybody noticing it. Then he would walk off with them to his pavilion to enjoy them quickly. Question number 7. Curry learned the commands to sit and to walk. What were the instructions for each command? The command to sit was to say "Dhat" and pull Curry by the ear. The command to walk was to say "Mali" and pull his trunk forward. Question number 8. What is the master call? Why is it the most important signal for an elephant to learn? The master call is a strange hissing and howling sound. It seems as if a snake and a tiger are fighting. When a trained elephant is given the master call in its ears in a forest, it knows that its master has lost his way. It therefore starts uprooting trees one by one. Thus he creates a path through the forest for the master to reach his house. ये था क्लास 7 बुक सप्लीमेंट्री लेसन 2 ब्रिंगिंग अप करी चैप्टर का सॉल्यूशन। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं, इसी तरह की और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, जिससे कि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड करूँ तो नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास पहुंच सके। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।